India really going through the infertility crisis?
Yes, actually, our total fertility rate has gone down to 1.9, which is below the replacement level of 2.1. So that means sooner or later, we will not have enough youth to support our population.
What is the difference in the fertility issues being faced by Indian men and women?
So Indian women are genetically predisposed to have earlier menopause, which means they deplete their egg reserve earlier. So they should plan their pregnancies early. In men, what has happened is all over the world, the sperm count has decreased more than 50% over last 40 years. And even the sperm DNA fragmentation is on the rise. It results into poor quality embryos and also increases risk of miscarriages. If you're hitting the gym, lifting weights, drinking your protein shake, it doesn't guarantee your fertility, especially if you're pulling out to 12-hour shift, surviving on caffeine, and scrolling the screens till late in the night. It definitely affects your sperm quality.
That's terrifying, ma'am. But society still blames women first, right?
Exactly. Most of the times, it's women who undergo the test. They start taking treatment, like even hormonal injections. And after some time, we come to know the issues actually with the men because husband never took the test. So what happens is by the time the couple reaches a fertility specialist, they've already lost the critical 2 to 3 years of their peak fertility.
So, ma'am, what test can a man go through in case of infertility issues?
So men at least should undergo basic semen analysis. They should also consider taking a test for sperm DNA fragmentation index. Now there is an advanced AI-based semen analyzer, which helps me in analyzing the sperm and also selecting it for IVF. So what it does is it analyzes more than 3,000 sperms and it is very fast. It saves around 80% of the time of the test and it can help me select a healthy sperm for IVF so that it can result in a better quality embryo and reduces the risk of miscarriage.
Infertility is insanely rising in India, ma'am. So, what do you think Indians need to do to act on it fast?
Unfortunately, infertility still is a social taboo in India. Most of the couples don't even turn up to get themselves tested for infertility. So, I would urge once again that get yourself tested so that you will know the issues and you can act on it on time before it is too late.
This is the fertility wake-up call for our generation. You plan your careers, you plan your finances. Now you need to plan your fertility before it's too late.